In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect black bull markets to TradingView. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradingview.com. From here it should be something like this, and here you'll simply need to log into your already existing account. Once you've done that, you'll need to go up to the products tab up here and click on it once. Once you do that, you'll see this page right here. And then from here, you'll need to go down to where it says connect through trusted brokers. Once you do that, you'll need to scroll down until you see show all brokers. Once you do that, you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in black bull markets right here. And as you can see right here, black bull markets will appear. You can also click add to favorites to get it a bit easier to next time you need to connect it. But from here, you'll simply need to click on it and click connect. As you can see, by clicking connect, I confirm that I've read the warning and terms and use and accept all risk. Once you click connect, you'll get to this page right here. And here you'll need to log into your Black Bull Markets account. And you can also click join now if you don't already have an account yet. From here you'll need to enter your email address, your password, and here you can also keep me logged in if you want to do that, or forgot your password by clicking here. You can also sign in using the mobile app by using this QR code right here. You'll also be able to log in using your Google ID, Apple ID, or Facebook ID by clicking on one of these tabs right here. Once you do that, you'll be directed into TradingView again, and you'll see that it will be connected right here. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!